day. Today I've got my hoover threes, one of my new, recently got ones. My new ones. I'm just going to let you have a clue at slide. I'll quickly show you. The whole thing is vibrating too. I've had this a couple of days. I've used it after my DC7. So, picked up a lot of fine dust. Jesus. That's a lot. There's more in there, but they won't want it. I'll just quickly hoover that up because I don't want carpet in this. Well, this could actually work, so let me flip the camera around so you can see the dust. Brush off the head with the base plate, a couple inches. See what the brush bar looks like in action. It's quite a wide opening. It's got a nice brush roll. Well, I think that just won't be out of it. But yeah, it's got nice functions. It's very loud, but who cares about that? It's quite dirty. It's in a state right now because I got it off a groomer. And there's a hole at the top. I'll show you that now. see that black, but that's a hole. And I'm sure there's might be a filter in there, I don't know. But there's definitely a big hair in there. There's a hair in there in the moment. I'll clean this more, I'll do a YouTube video there, use baby oils. And yeah, so that's all I've got to show you. So we could maybe hang you with it. So yeah.